everyone, here's all the trains I caught throughout this week. Unfortunately, like last week, I didn't see that much. I only caught 2 trains. And when I filmed these 2 trains, I wasn't alone. Cian, Rare Fan, was also there with me. Alright, let's get into them. The first train we caught is Cian A451, going from Toronto to North Bay. It was led by 33 Truddy, an AC-44 C6M rebuilt -9 with a really awesome sounding K3L horn. It was originally 2592. Trailing second is 28 Truddy, and trailing third is 9449, a GP40-2LW. 9449 will be dropped off at Huntsville. And the A451 has 103 freight cars. The next and final train that we caught is Cian A450, going the opposite direction from North Bay to Toronto. It was led by 2830 with a really weird sounding K5HL horn. And trailing second is CREX 3968. And that has 104 cars and 428 axles, including a refurbished gold transit cab car, and that being 200. The class leader.
7. No alarms. Temperature 2C. Total axle 428. Speed 30.
Well, everyone, I really hope you enjoyed the 2 catches of CN A451 and CN A450. Once again, I apologize for another short RFM video. But oh well. Now stay tuned to this channel because I have an Easter RFM special coming out this Sunday. So stay tuned for that. That being said, if you enjoyed this short RFM video, then you know what to do. Please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up. And subscribe for more videos if you haven't already. That will really help me out a lot. And also go subscribe to CN RFM. If you want to check him out, I'll leave a link in the description when I have a chance. Until my next RFM video, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks, and like and subscribe for more. And that will be it as usual. Bye now.